now, so I would like to introduce to you our birthday girl together with her beautiful mommy. So palakpakan natin, Venice! Alright, so let's all just say happy birthday, Venice!
Rolling on like the thunder with open eyes, full of wonder. It's a good day. It's a good day to be alive. Spinning fast, the wheels keep turning. Every night is a new morning. It's a good day. It's a good day to be alive. It's a good day to be alive.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, Venice. Venice, happy birthday. Miss na miss ka na ni Daddy. Sana pag-uwi ni Daddy, favorite mo pa din ako. Sana madikit ka pa din sa akin, tulad dati. Tsaka binabawi mo na ako kay Mami, lagi mo siyang inuutusan. Good yan, good. Love you, Venice. I miss you. Enjoy your birthday.
It's a good day.
Ayun, you say, Daddy, I love you. I love you. You say, Daddy, I miss you. Miss you. Daddy, kung mapapanood mo to, successful yung birthday ni Venice and gusto namin i-honor ka